You can do like 0.3, 0.2 something, 0.2 point, you know what I'm saying, to make it 1 cc per.
Okay, you're gonna feel the filler. I actually just did 0.1. You can actually really see a difference already.
Really?
Yeah.
So maybe do 1 syringe,
Yeah.
both sides. You do 0.1?
Point like 0.75.
Alright, fine. I'll deal with that. Yeah, that's good.
You fill up really easily.
I know, I have thin skin.
I still have point.
No, I think it looks good.
0.15.
It's subtle, you know? That's what
Yeah.
I want.
Yeah.
So in the last video, I complained about some of the changes that occurred to my face, and I want to make it clear that I think this Ozempic face phenomenon is not actually related to Ozempic, but it has more to do with rapid weight loss. So any sort of medication that, or lifestyle change, or surgery that can help you lose weight quickly, or even a medical condition, may manifest as having Ozempic face. Because the deflation of your facial skin envelope and the fat reserves can lead to sort of stereotypical changes, including redundant skin in the nasolabial folds. I noticed using 3D Vectra software that I actually lost volume in the central part of my face over the mid-facial convexity that I didn't like, and I want to keep that. But if I want a quick fix, everything above this imaginary line between my tragus and the corner of my mouth, I want to be a little bit more augmented. So rather than traditional filler techniques in the cheeks, I wanted more forward augmentation in an imaginary line that extends from my tear trough. So stay tuned to watch the rationale behind this decision, as well as the process to get me looking as good as I do now. Thanks. So in summary, when I review a lot of the changes that we saw initially, I realized that the loss of volume in the midface is actually an attractive change, but when it extends up nasolabial fold, it gives you hollowness and this sort of deep crease that starts at the tear trough and basically works its way down the face. That crease is not attractive. You can see it on the oblique view too, and you can see that angle. So softening that aspect could optimize the result of weight loss and correct so-called Ozempic face. So with just 1 syringe of filler, Nurse Miki today looked and appreciated these changes, and almost to a perfect T has injected or volumized the areas with 0.5 cc's per side of filler to augment these areas that were bothering me. And by augmenting them, you can kind of see them in blue here, it really gives me more of a healthy appearance that I feel better about. And so when you look at the net effect of before and after, once we have corrected for Ozempic face by volumizing this area, you can see that we have really restricted, especially on my right side, a lot of the volume loss to purely the mid-third of the face or the lower third of the face, as opposed to the cheekbone area. So this is, I guess, how you can have your cake and eat it too.